DAB/USD trades end at $5.32 or so they thought, in every way that really counts. Practically speaking, SPEC's daily volume stays at 93,989,978, which is a very large number. Polkadot price research is mostly bad right now, which is a very important fact. The amount is now specifically $6.65, which shows that the amount is now specifically $6.65, or so they thought on May 30, 2023. In this video, we'll walk you through the Polkadot cost examination for now or about a week from now. We'll also try to answer some of the most frequently asked questions about important problems. What really counts is the current cost estimate for Polkadot, which is speculative in every practical way. Polkadots help with contrast levels and other things, which is usually a big deal even if it was before. Jumping pretty deep into the wet technical research in particular gave us a lot of room to talk about the current economic situation, or so they thought most of the time. Market investigation over the absolute last 24 hours there explicitly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the in every practical sense whole digital currency market to $112,211,230,4788, showing that market examination over the absolute last 24 hours there, all things considered, was a defeat of 1.84, bringing the sort of whole cryptographic money market to $112,211,230,4788, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. The complete exchanging volume essentially remains at 22,757,277,610 in a fundamentally significant manner. Bitcoin shares 46.29% of the entry market, while Ethereum essentially has a strength of 16.33%, which sort of is genuinely huge, which certainly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,797.21 level after a decay of 0.42, showing what generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,797.21 level after a decay of 0.42%, and in every way that really matters significant way. Various elective digital currencies as Ethereum really has seen a cost increment of 0.12%, coming to 1813.92 during the past 24 hours in an extremely significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at 308.52 following a value change of 0.48 within a similar time span, showing that the 22nd of May 2023. In this video, we'll usually walk you through the Polkadot cost exam for now or the next week and try to answer the most frequently asked important questions. What is usually the short-term price expectation for Polkadot? It speaks a really smart interest and a kind of important way. Coco's BCX went up to 60 cents after losing 0.77% of its value over a decade. These events show that the market as a whole is going down for the time being, or so they thought. Polkadot support and opposition support are important technical markers that are used to identify key price levels where the trend can take a different path in a subtle way. Support is a level where buyers become more active and stop the price of the coin from falling any further. This is an example of how Polkadot support and opposition support are used. Polkadot performance according to value analysis market. Polkadot specifically is trading at $5.32 with a trading volume of $93,989.978, which shows that support is a level where buyers become more active and keep the coin's price from falling any further. This shows how Polkadot support and resistance are important technical indicators used to tell Ethereum from other cryptocurrencies. Polkadot price analysis. DAB price analysis for the 22nd of May 2023 in a sort of daily period made sense of below, displaying home spot USD exchanges close to $5.32, and in every way that matters significant way we use certainly relative strength index moving in every practical sense. Normal mixture and dissimilarity backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including mostly easy moving, especially normal and remarkable moving, most certainly normal to predict the future of Polkadot, and in every way that really matters, the coin is generally going down as it broke under two important support levels of $5.80 and $5.45. This shows that the market is generally going in a downward direction at the moment, which for the most part is bad. Spot's intraday volume generally stays at $93,989,978, and Spot's Williams %R marker is at 33.803 for the past 14 days, showing that a trade could be made at this rate. This shows that the support is a level where buyers become something else. Dynamic and in every practical sense prevent the coin best cost from falling any further, exhibiting how Polkadot backing and obstruction backing in opposition generally are significant specialized pointers used to sort of recognize kind of key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which truly is genuinely huge. The truly relative strength list demonstrates that the SPEC coin explicitly is close oversold zone, as RSI by and large is at 38, showing how Spot's truly intraday volume generally remains at $93,989,978, which in every practical sense is very critical. Adapt USD moving pretty normal combination and uniqueness pointer basically is demonstrating a genuinely present moment, essentially purchase kind of sign, as the MACD line by and large is moving above extremely signal line, which implies bulls explicitly are overwhelming. On the lookout, showing how the especially relative strength file shows that the spot coin for the most part is close oversold zone, as RSI sort of isn't 38, showing how SPEC's sort of intraday volume explicitly remains at $93,989,978 in a truly significant manner. Ends the Polkadot market for the most part is given indications of being negative, and vendors in every way that really matters have the very potential to drive costs of the cryptographic money by. As Bitcoin goes back to its old price of $28,450, buyers are left thinking where this well-known digital asset will go next. Will the bullish trend continue, allowing Bitcoin's price to go up even more, or should we be ready for a possible bearish correction? We will try to answer these questions in our Bitcoin price predictions for today by looking at economic and market signs. As the US talks about raising its debt limit, the value of digital currencies like Bitcoin goes up, putting it over the $28,000 mark. The price of Bitcoin, BTC, has gone up by 3%, and the rest of the cryptocurrency market